How to change date of birth in Gmail. Here's a step-by-step guide. To start off, open your Gmail on your device. Now click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Now navigate to the Personal Info tab, which you will find as the second option at the top. Here scroll down until you reach the birthday section and click on it to make changes. At this point, you can easily update your date of birth. Now select the correct date of birth. Additionally, if you want more control over your privacy, you can adjust the visibility settings to decide who can view your birthday information. After updating the details, scroll down and hit the Save button at the bottom. And that's it. Your new birthday is now updated on your Gmail account.